you start. Window. 2x4. Josh. Josh. 2x4. Window. Let's see what happens.
Go ahead.
Son of a bitch, you weren't supposed to break the window.
You said to break the window.
Will the police come? Let's see. Walk out there and kind of give a view of on the outside too, so you can see outside the people that are looking and shit.
Do you want me to walk around?
People looking. Oh, there's somebody outside on the phone.
That's cool. Call it again. Maybe it's my house.